Hi everyone, welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today we are drawing something cozy, a treehouse surrounded by beautiful autumn leaves. So let's get started. Let's start with the lines of the house. So I want to make the house first. So we're going to draw our line like that. And we're going to come across right over here and draw another line coming down. Cute. And we're going to draw another line coming this way. So tips to draw a house. You can also draw this on the ground as it's like a house. So you can also use it to draw a tree house and also a normal house. Okay. So now let's draw a shed thing. I don't know. And we're gonna come down. And also from this side. Now let's draw a little door right over here. It's so adorable. It looks like a mouse's house. It's so cute. And we're going to draw a line. Okay, yes. And now let's draw the house, the actual house. So we're going to draw a line like that. And also like that. It's perfect. And also like that. And we're gonna make this line connect the both sides, and we're going to connect it like that. Let's make a window. So we're going to draw a square. And darken this area like a like a shelf where you can put your flowers. Okay, that's our house. So we're going to make some leaves over here. And if you want to make this house on the ground, you can just simply connect it. Or you can also make the leaves. It would look like a bush, yeah. It's so looking cute. Now let's draw the tree stem. So we're going to make a line coming from right over here and coming down in a wiggly line, because tree stem is not always perfect. Everything is not perfect. There's a little mistake in everything, and that's okay. And we're going to draw some shape like that. Now let's draw a hole that woodpecker used to do. Oh my goodness, that looks like a finger. That actually looks like a thumb. It's so adorable, but it looks kind of like a thumb. Like somebody sticking their thumb out of that area. Now let's complete making our tree stem. It's looking super duper adorable. And also from here. And we're also gonna draw another layer so that our tree house can survive even in a storm. Now let's use a ruler to draw the ladder. So we're going to draw a line right over here. And also one right over here. Okay, that looks like a really tall, perfect ladder. Now let's draw some lines in it. You have to make sure the gap between the lines are equal, or it's gonna look not that bad, but it's just not gonna look that I don't know. I think I messed up. I think I did from here, but it's okay. It's perfect. And that's our ladder. And now we can make let's make the autumn leaves. Yeah, that is the main thing that makes it look like it's that season. So now let's make some autumn leaves. So let's make one right over here. That doesn't look like an autumn leaf at all, but I guess that looks kind of better. Looks good. Alright, yeah, that looks like autumn tree. No hate. Now let's draw more autumn leaves. Let's draw 2 more. So we're gonna make a line coming like that. So let's make this one a bit bigger. So just draw wiggly lines coming from here, coming from there. Oh my goodness, that doesn't look so perfect. But after I make the inside of it, it looks much better. Let's try to make the last one even better than this one, because I made the second one look worse than the first one. I'm not good at making autumn leaves, but I hope we can try and keep trying. Don't lose hope. That looks so perfect. Up to this side, I hope. And I also wish that you guys make it perfect and you are trying it. That looks so good. And also tell me in the comments how your drawing looks like. Rate your drawing from 1 to 10 in the comment section. And that's it, our treehouse looking so cool, right? And you guys also have to rate my drawing from 1 to 10. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Bye.